Now from the Target 12 investigators, the private attorney representing the Providence City Council has made his case in Superior Court for wanting to intervene in a 2021 tax deal he says was made without the council's approval.
Target 12 investigator Alexandra Leslie was in the courtroom and joins us now in Providence with what happened so far.
Attorney Max Wistow spoke for about an hour and a half in court today, all the time that the court had for today's hearing. He went through what he submitted in hundreds of pages of his memos, accusing the city solicitor of corruption and collusion with a prominent real estate developer. The city council's private attorney says that the city solicitor's actions deprived city councilors of their right to approve or reject the agreement that he says saved developer Buff Chase more than $42 million. The 2021 agreement was made between former Mayor Jorge Alorza's administration and developer Chase. It gave Chase a 30-year tax break on 10 of his downtown properties in exchange for him designating some units to affordable housing. Wistow argues city solicitor Jeff Dana knowingly broke the law when the agreement was made because the city council was never made privy to it. The developer's lawyers argued otherwise last month, saying in a memo the deal was known publicly to all members of the previous city council.
One of the big issues here, Your Honor, is how to present this in the brief time we're talking about. This really cries out for an evidentiary hearing. But I believe that what I've submitted by way of affidavits and documents establishes prima facie that these were corrupt transactions. And I'm doubling down on that in spite of Your Honor's initial admonition to me, because I believe everything I say is not only based on a reasonable belief on my part, but overwhelming evidence that that's the case.
Just yesterday, the city filed a supplemental memo requesting the motion to intervene be denied. The memo signed by Solicitor Dana calls this a matter that's been, quote, resolved for years and one that would be a waste of municipal and judicial resources. Meanwhile, a spokesperson for the developer sent a statement in part saying that Cornish Associates participated in a highly transparent and legal process with the prior council and administration that was subsequently validated by a court order. Now, today's hearing is scheduled to continue on Friday afternoon. That's when we're expecting to hear more from the lawyer for the developer at that time. Reporting in Providence, Alexandra Leslie, 12 News.